Prenuptial agreements and postnuptial agreements. Does a prenuptial agreement make sense for you? A prenuptial agreement does not mean that a couple is not fully committed to making their marriage work. The agreement is simply a tool that can save tremendous conflict and expense in the future, should circumstances arise. A prenuptial agreement may strengthen a marriage by removing potential mistrust and conflict sources. Couples seek a prenuptial agreement for a variety of reasons, including, they have children from prior relationships and want to safeguard their assets for their children in case of a divorce. One person may have significantly more assets than the other person and may want to protect those assets in case of a divorce. One or both of them may have gone through a previous divorce and may wish to avoid the emotional and financial expense of litigating another divorce. One or both of them may stand to inherit significant assets from parents or relatives and may want to protect the inheritance in case of a divorce. A prenuptial agreement can be used to protect both parties from future conflicts by addressing in advance what will happen to property upon divorce or the death of one spouse. Child custody and support matters cannot be predetermined this way, but many important issues can be addressed, including which spouse will receive specific separate and marital assets, whether alimony can be claimed by either spouse, how finances will be managed during the marriage. Preparing an effective prenuptial agreement in Connecticut. In Connecticut, all prenuptial agreements executed on or after October 1, 1995 are governed by the Connecticut Premarital Agreement Act. Under this act, Connecticut recognizes the validity of prenuptial agreements provided that certain conditions are met. The most important of these relate to the timing of the agreement and full disclosure of assets and debts. With respect to timing, the sooner the prenuptial agreement is prepared, the better. Several months are generally required to prepare an effective prenuptial agreement. Each party needs adequate time to review and understand the terms of the agreement. If adequate time is not provided, a court may refuse to enforce the agreement for reasons of coercion or duress. With respect to disclosure, both parties must make their financial information, assets, and debts known to the other. Failure to provide complete financial disclosure can render a prenuptial agreement unenforceable. We can help if you are planning to get married and have considered entering into a prenuptial agreement. Contact McConnell Family Law Group for a consultation. Our attorneys can prepare, review, or negotiate a prenuptial agreement for you. Our offices are located in Fairfield, New Haven, and Hartford counties. Contact us today to schedule a consultation. Here are some more facts and information regarding prenuptial agreements. Ready for the next step? If you feel ready to take the next step, we encourage you to call our team to schedule an initial consultation. This step is critical for you to discuss everything surrounding your unique situation. We understand that no two cases are ever the same.